There are two methods that one can use in order to exit a Prosperity Path Orb. Method 1, which is the one you will encounter the most, involves making it through the whole orb and exiting naturally. Here we're just running straight through the orb. Okay, as we run through the sculpture and hit the end point, the game will exit naturally. The second method used to exit a Prosperity Path Orb is simply press the escape key. Anytime during any orb run, press the escape in the upper left of your keyboard, typically. A confirmation window pops up saying touch Y to quit. That's the Y key on your keyboard. Touch the key and the game will exit. So those are the two methods for exiting a Prosperity Path Orb. Either go through the orb completely and get to the end, in which case it naturally exits, or press the escape key and exit through pressing Y. There is a third method that will allow you to exit the Prosperity Path Orb. This can be used if your game should freeze or in other way become non-responsive. You'll know that the game is frozen if pressing the escape key does not bring up the press Y to exit. Here I press the escape key and it brings up this little pop-up. If that doesn't happen for any reason, then your game may well be frozen. If it should happen, just press the Ctl-Alt-Delete keys. This brings up your Windows Task Manager. You can click on the image name and that'll alphabetize all of your processes. I'm assuming that you're not on applications. If you're on applications, then click this processes tab right here. You will find wgge.exe down in the bottom of the list where the W's are. Click on that, make sure it's highlighted. Then you come over to the right and you click End Process. Look very carefully. Do you want to end WGGE? Okay, that's the right program. So we click End Process. And that closes down the Prosperity Path Orb. As I said, this is something you will rarely, if ever, need. If it comes up, just use Ctl-Alt-Delete and you can close the program down using the Windows Task Manager.